Hello, hello, Sudoku friends, boys and girls. We are back again. Yes, back. And in this additional of today's newspaper on a Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday. Still Tuesday, August the 24th, 2021. The third puzzle I will do. 5 out of 9. Yes, and this one is the third one. This will be number. Let me see which number this will be. Number 3289. Yes. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O. Here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Then between two O's. Wait. Double O. Here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then double O, here one, there one. 4 O's we have, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the second column, so the rest are O's. Then let me see. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then I think we need to compare. Yeah, I think we need to compare. Let me see. We have here. Yeah. Okay. Almost the same. This column and that column. One, empty box, one, one. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And then need to compare again. I cannot compare this row. How about no, I need to compare the columns. Double one, no. O10, do we have an O10 here? No. This is not the same. This is 101. Double one here. No. What's happening? Oh, 10. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. What's happening? What's happening? Blackout, blackout. We have 1001 here, 1001. No one, so I cannot compare the rows then the columns, but this one I can also not. Well, this one, yes, of course. Overlooked, overlooked. 1111 empty box. Empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 5 minutes. Yes, this took too long. Yes, to compare. But I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the fourth puzzle. It will be a tectonic one. Tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.